Production control plays a vital role in making logistics efficient, predictable, and scalable. It's the hidden engine that aligns supply with demand, synchronizes movement of materials, and balances the flow of goods and information from start to finish. Whether in a warehouse, a distribution center, or a manufacturing facility, production control ensures that the right product is in the right place, at the right time, and in the right quantity. At its core, production control is about turning customer demand into coordinated action. It's the link between planning and execution, ensuring that what has been promised to customers can actually be delivered through efficient use of time, people, machines, and materials. In logistics settings, this means orchestrating the inbound flow of materials, managing internal handling processes, and aligning them with outbound shipping schedules. It involves making real-time decisions on whether to accelerate, pause, or reallocate resources, all while minimizing waste, avoiding bottlenecks, and maintaining delivery commitments. In essence, production control is what makes logistics reliable and repeatable. There are several strategies used to manage material and information flow in production control. The traditional approach is the push system, where production is driven by forecasted demand and goods are pushed through the system based on predetermined schedules. This works well in stable, high-volume environments but can lead to overproduction or excess inventory when demand fluctuates. In contrast, the pull system initiates production based on actual demand signals, such as a customer order or inventory reaching a minimum threshold. This method, popularized by lean manufacturing and Kanban systems, helps reduce waste and inventory costs, but requires high responsiveness and visibility. Modern logistics environments increasingly use hybrid systems that combine the efficiency of push upstream with the responsiveness of pull downstream. These legal systems balance predictability and agility, enabling organizations to respond flexibly to market shifts while maintaining operational stability. Technology is reshaping how production control is executed. With the rise of Industry 4.0, logistics operations now integrate digital tools that offer unprecedented visibility and control. Internet of Things, or IoT, sensors can monitor the status of equipment and material flows in real time, feeding data into centralized control platforms. Automated systems like automated guided vehicles and robotic pickers can handle materials with precision and consistency, reducing human error and accelerating workflows. AI-driven scheduling tools can optimize production sequences based on current resource availability, shipment deadlines, and predicted disruptions. More advanced applications include digital twins, virtual models of entire logistics systems that simulate operations, forecast outcomes, and support proactive decision-making. These technologies don't just improve efficiency, they change the way production control decisions are made, moving from reactive to predictive and from manual to intelligent. Production control doesn't operate in a silo. Its effectiveness depends heavily on how well it integrates with other logistics functions, including inventory management, transport scheduling, order fulfillment, and warehousing. For example, if production is completed ahead of schedule but warehouse space hasn't been allocated, that creates a bottleneck. If a delivery truck is delayed, production may need to adjust output or reroute goods. Coordination across systems is essential to avoid costly inefficiencies or delays. That's why modern production control systems are often part of larger enterprise resource planning, or ERP, or warehouse management systems known as WMS. These platforms enable seamless communication between planning, operations, and execution, aligning internal activities with external supply chain demands. While automation plays a growing role in production control, people remain at the center of the system. Human planners bring experience, contextual understanding, and the ability to handle ambiguity, things algorithms still struggle with. On the other hand, machines excel at repetitive tasks, real-time calculations, and high-speed responses. The future lies in combining these strengths. Production control systems should empower workers with real-time dashboards, alerts, and mobile tools, while delegating routine tasks to machines. This collaborative approach improves decision quality, responsiveness, and job satisfaction, turning operators into supervisors and data into action. Modern supply chains face constant risk, from labor strikes to weather events, cyber attacks, or political disruptions. Production control must be robust enough to absorb shocks while flexible enough to adapt quickly. This is where scenario planning and contingency strategies come into play. Smart control systems allow for rescheduling in real time, redistributing workloads, or sourcing from alternative suppliers. Inventory buffers, dynamic lead times, and automated alerts can all help logistics teams respond quickly to disruptions and avoid service breakdowns. Rather than aiming for perfect efficiency, modern production control aims for resilient performance, maintaining flow and service levels even under stress. Looking ahead, production control will become even more intelligent, decentralized, and sustainability-focused. Autonomous planning agents will analyze historical and real-time data to make scheduling decisions. Blockchain could allow decentralized systems to coordinate across regions without central control. Sustainability metrics like energy use and carbon emissions will be built into control algorithms, enabling greener decision-making without sacrificing performance. And advanced simulation tools will allow planners to test scenarios before implementing them in real operations. In a world of growing complexity and competition, production control is evolving from a background function into a strategic differentiator. Companies that invest in next-generation control systems will be better equipped to navigate global logistics and outperform competitors. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to logisticsABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the logisticsABC community, and see you in the next video.